Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're back with another frequently asked question. That question is, how long do the wiper blades on these machines last? So with our VH800 FL and up, our industrial line, you're gonna see that you will have a wiper blade on these machines. Typically, it's really gonna have a lot of factors it depends on. So it depends on the kind of abrasive you're using, the coarseness of that abrasive, how often you're using the machine. I would say if you're very high production, you can get, maybe 4 to 6 months out of this wiper blade. Now, if you're looking at maybe a little bit lower production, a smaller shop, maybe you have an 800 FL, you may get 6 to 8 months out of it. So it really depends on your use, what abrasive you're using, the coarseness of that abrasive, but these should last you anywhere from 4 to 8 months. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.